How can you tell whether a number is even or odd? Ahmed and Nita take turns choosing what the family eats for dinner. Can they each choose the dinner menu the same number of days in April? In May? You can use a divisibility rule to tell whether a number is even or odd. A whole number is even if it is divisible by 2. A whole number is odd if it is not divisible by 2. How do you know a number is divisible by 2? A whole number is divisible by 2 if it can be divided by 2 with none left over. What do you do when you divide a number by 2? You either divide into 2 equal groups or divide into groups of 2 with none left over. How can you tell whether or not a number is divisible by 2 without dividing? Numbers that are divisible by 2 have a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. If the ones digit is anything else, the number is not divisible by 2. This is a divisibility rule for 2. How can you use the divisibility rule to decide whether a number is even or odd? When a number has 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place, it is divisible by 2 and is even. When it does not have these numbers in the ones place, it is not divisible by 2 and is odd. There are 30 days in April. Decide whether 30 is an even or odd number. When is a number even? 30 has a 0 in the ones place. This means that it is divisible by 2. 30 is even. Ahmed and Nita can each choose the dinner menu the same number of days in April. There are 31 days in May. Decide whether 31 is an even or odd number. When is a number odd? 31 has a 1 in the ones place, so it is not divisible by 2. 31 is odd. Ahmed and Nita cannot each choose the dinner menu the same number of days in May. You can use the divisibility rule for 2 to tell whether a number is even or odd.